So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So, this is my first video. I have always posted shorts. So, this is my actually first Flutter project. Like, I'm just a beginner in this. So, if I make any mistakes, feel free to let me know in the comments. So, I have made so many apps, but I think till now this is the best app I have made. Like, I have not used some futuristic UI like that. I'm just a beginner, so basics UI only I know. So till now I have learned only the front end part, not back end. Front end also just the basics I have learned. So let's explore the code. So the main.dart, as we know, every Flutter app starts from the main function. So here I am using in the fourth and fifth line, run app to launch my application. Then I have a material app at the 11th line of the code. So, and the first screen is my welcome screen. Inside the body I used a column because I want all the widgets to appear below one another. Then I added an image, like then I added an image using Image.network, and then elevated button also. So, and navigator.push, like for it's like navigating, directing, like from one page to another. So it is basically to move to the menu screen, and for the menu screen I don't want it to be so much congested, so I just created a new file under the lib folder. So in the new file menu screen, here I wanted to display some food items, so I added food images, food names and prices. I also use a sized box to make it look like cleaner. So these are the multiple food items. Like I added the corresponding image. If you want high quality image, you can use pixels. Like you can copy the code. Like let me show you one. Like here you can just, these are the food items, just right click here and copy image link and then paste it directly in that particular line of the code. And for the detail screen, I've not digged much into it because I'm just a basic learner. So in this there is much more information about the particular food item. Like the first food item I have added, I think, is burger. So about that I added a larger image, the food name, the price, and the little one or two line description. Then I added some button to demonstrate Flutter some basics concept. Like buttons, like we should always see in Swiggy, Zomato app, like there is add to cart. So when we click add to cart, it appears at the bottom of the screen saying added to cart. So this is basically called SnackBar. It's useful for showing small messages to the users. Then we have Dialog. It's like when we place a order button, when we click it, alert dialog appears asking for confirmation. The user can choose yes or no. And then the bottom sheet is for like when I click more option, a panel slides appears from the bottom showing extra options like share, favorite. So this is done using show model bottom sheet. So yeah, this is the overall code, and I'm seeing again and again. I'm just a basic learner. So when you have to run the code, you just have to go in terminal and just type it cd, and then your corresponding that folder name, my food app, my folder name is, and then press enter, then run flutter run. So for this I have basically used Dart programming language. It seems easier to me, like as a beginner, and if I have to cope up with it more faster, so I thought Flutter and Dart will be the best combination. So basically I use that Flutter run. Then it will be asking where to run that following application. Like in Windows you have to choose one, for Chrome 2, for H3 I have to run it on Chrome, so I will just press 2. So it will be launching that application in my Chrome app. So yeah, let's wait for that. It will be taking a few seconds. See your choice, you can just, yeah, it's just appear, let it be load, like showing local host colon 52183 something. It's just the link provided. Let it be load. You can uh, adjust the screen according to you, like here this screen or this screen. This the app, yeah, you can see here. It's just the picture. I have added a random picture, so don't judge me. And this food delivery, delicious food delivery. So when you click the let's explore, it's just a snack bar. See, it's a button, it's called a widget. Click let's explore. You will be seeing, yeah, menu, and this is the scroller, burger, that particular price, and when you click view details, it will move to the another page. This is called navigator.push. When you move to the other page, it's showing its further details. Add to cart, like we discussed earlier, it's a snack bar. When you show add to cart, as you can see, a pop-up message appearing, added to cart. Then dialog, like place order, it's a coming a dialog like button. Do you want to place order, yes or no? It's your choice. Like I have not added the logics behind it, mainly the backend. I'm not prepared with that. It's just the front end and a more of a basic UI front end. It's I am a beginner, so I'm just sharing my coding journey with you all. When I click more option, a pop-up like from the bottom it appears. That's why it's called bottom sheet. Like here you can have so many options like share, favorite, and for we use navigator dot pop to go to the previous page. Like you can see the arrow mark here back. Yeah, previous page appeared, again previous page. When it takes let's explore, uh, further page appears. So this is navigated push. Yeah, so that was all about my lab app. So this is a basic, much of a basic program app. If you want further my code, you can comment me. I will put in the description.